Hello everyone, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. It's my pleasure to welcome you to my importation class. And in today's class, I'm going to show you how you can search for products on 1688.com. There are two methods by which you can search for products on 1688website.com. The first method is called type search, and while the second method is called picture search. Now, before we dive into the practical, it is advisable for you to install a latest version of Google Translate and also a latest version of Google Chrome. So how do you get those applications? All you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, use the search bar, then type in Google Translator. So you can see Google Translate latest version. Click on it. Now you can see it open, but in your own from your own end, it's not going to be open if you don't have it already on your phone. So all you have to do is to just install it. But if you have it on your phone, make sure it is an update version so that you will not have issue in translation of Chinese language to English language. Right. So another app you are going to look at is called Google Chrome. So you still go back to the search bar and type in Google Chrome latest version. You can see Google Chrome latest version, select it, then also install it. These are the two major apps we are going to use to type search and picture search. So let's go into the website and see how you can type search. All right, so I'm going to click on my Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to create a new tab. Just fresh. All right, so I will type in the website address. So the website is 1688.com, and I click on OK. So this is how the site is going to open up when you type in the 1688.com. So everything is going to be in Chinese like this, just like what you are seeing on the screen right here. So now with the help of Google Translator latest version I ask you to install before I start this practical class, you will be able to translate this page from all Chinese language to English language so that you will be able to understand what the site is all about. So now I will have to go to the top. So when you go to the top right corner, you look at the top right corner here, you will see a three dots. So just click on the three dots. So when you click on three dots, so it's going to, a drop down like this is going to pump up. Then you select Google Translate. Sorry, that's network. All right. So when you select Google Translate, you choose English version. So it's going to automatically translate everything into English so that you will be able to see the name of the product and the description and every other thing you need to know about the product. Now, you notice that when we translate the site from Chinese language to English language, the price here changed to dollar. So never mind, this is just because we translate to English. So the same price is still in yuan, not in dollar dollar currency. Now, let's say for instance, we need a product, we need shoe, right? So you see at the top here, this is search bar where they wrote good supply, good business. So just click on it, then enter keyword. So the keyword I'm going to search for shoes. You can see, and so let's search for shoe women. Right, so you can see there are a lot of shoes here. So let's just pick any one of these shoe here. So let's see if we pick, okay, let's pick this one here. Just click on the image. So it's going to load to another page like this. So these are the products. Now you can see the picture. See the picture. Now this shoe here, so for us to understand all this information here that has already written in Chinese, so we have to come to the top here, choose translate. Now everything turned back to English language. So now here you'll be able to see and read information about this product and how this factory actually work. So these are product description fix. When you scroll down, you see the products. You scroll down. Okay, scroll down and see the graphics and details about the product. So now there are some certain things you need to consider when it comes to purchase products on 1688. So let me go back again. Okay, so let me translate it back. So one of the certain things you need to consider is the quality of the product, the availability of the product, and the response rate of the product, and uh, how the manufacturer respond to customer chat, customer inquiry, and order. So that is what I'm going to show you in the next video. But I believe now you should be able to type search when you get to 1688.com. So I hope you learn one or two things in this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.